Low ceiling? No problem. This recent client in Plattsmouth, Nebraska, had the same concern. Our answer? A Jackshaft garage opener. Mounted on the side, this smart system keeps the ceiling clear and the garage looking sharp. The opener was smart, quiet, and sleek, and it worked with their smartphone too. Now, their garage feels bigger, cleaner, and way more modern. Ever wish your garage opener didn't hang down and take up space? Call 402-576-5771 now for a smooth garage door opener installation you'll love. Visit our website to learn more.